Hi, to fix app lock problem on your Realme 12x, first thing that we are going to do, that's to go to the settings. So here we would need to now scroll down until you will find this tab which is named apps. Open it and now scroll down again until you'll find this tab you might be looking for, and here we got the only option which is app lock. So we would need to click on it and here enter our privacy password. So as you can see, currently my app lock is disabled, so let me just enable it. And now we would need to click on these three dots at the right upper corner and click on the settings. So here we would need to click on the privacy password, now enter it. And here, as you can see, we got these two options, which is change password and turn off password. So basically we are just going to restart the app lock so it can work correctly. So I'll choose turned off, then click turn off, and for the last time enter my privacy password. So now the privacy password is disabled, same as the app lock. So let's set it one more time. I'll open the app lock and here will be required to use privacy password by enabling the app lock. So here we would need to click on settings and choose our new password. So I'll click on the use a different password type button and here choose 4 digits. Then I'll make the same exact password like I had before. And now I'll also enter my former teacher's name in case that I would need to recover my password, and then click on this confirmation icon at the right upper corner. So we have successfully reset the app lock feature, and after this most of the problems that you may met should be fixed. But if that didn't help, let's take a look on our software version, because sometimes software bugs may be the problem of every bug that you can meet in your phone. So to check the software version, we would need to go back to the main settings list and now scroll to the end of this page. Here, go to this tab which is named About Device and then click on this Realme UI. And after this, your phone will check for all of the new software updates if there is any. As you can see, my software version is up to date and I have none. So next thing that we are going to do, that's to simply restart our phone. I know that this is kind of really basic thing that can solve any problem, but we can try it because this may really help. So I'll hold the power button to open the power menu, then hold this white circle with my finger and then pull it up until the slider will become full green. Release your finger and after this your phone will perform a restart, which should help. And this is it. I hope I help you to solve your problem and have a great day.